Hi everyone, I am Devi Salakshi from CSE Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Subject name is Web Technologies. Here we are going to discuss about the topic PHP Functions. Functions. A function is a block of statement that can be used repeatedly in a program. A function will not execute immediately when a page loads. A function will be executed by call to the function. There are two types of function. First one is the built-in function and second one is the user-defined function. User-defined function. Yes, user-defined function declares starts with the word function. Information can be passed to functions through arguments. An argument is just like a variable. Arguments are specified after the function name inside the parentheses. So this is the example for user defined function here. So here the function name is sum. So because the sum is followed by this function, okay, and then here we are passing two variables x as well as y, and then that value will be added and then it will be assigned to the variable z, so that will be returned. Built-in functions. Here are some of the built-in functions are there. First we can see the array functions. The array functions are array creates an array, array chunk, array column, array combine, array count values, array diff key, array fill keys, array filter, array flip, array intersect, array key exist, and array keys. These are some of the array functions. And next one, the calendar function. The calendar extension contains functions that simplify converting between different calendar formats. So these are some of the functions are calendar info, calendar to date, easier date, Easter days. So these are the some of the calendar functions are available here. Date function, the date and time functions allow to get the date and time from the server on the PHP script. The functions are check date, date add, date create from format, date create, date set, date default time zone get, date default time zone set. So these are some of the functions. Directory function. The directory function allows retrieving information about directives and their contents. Change directory, changes to the root directory, close directory, returns the directory, get the current directory, open the directory, read the directory, rewind the directory, scan the directory. So these are the functions used in the directory functions. Error handling functions. The error handling functions are used to deal with error handling and logging. The error functions allows us to define own error handling rules and modify the way the errors can be logged. Generates the backtrace, prints the backtrace, and error get lost, error log, error reporting, restore error handler, restore exception handler, set error handler, set exception handler, trigger error, user error, debug backtrace. So these are the functions that comes under the error handling functions. File system functions. File system functions allow the user to access and manipulate the file system. First one is the base name, returns the file name component of the path. The next one is the changes the file group, and that is for you have to use the SGHEP. And next one is the changes the file mode, and next one is changes the file owner and clears the file status cache, copies a file, returns the directory name component of path, returns the free space of a directory, returns total size of a directory. For each and everything we are having some set of file functions. We can see